What is up everyone and welcome back to TechVibe. Now, before we dive into today's absolute bombshell of a leak, I have a quick question for you. If you could replace your entire laptop with just one tablet, what is the one feature it absolutely must have to make you switch? Drop a comment below because today, we are talking about the device that might finally make that dream a reality. We are looking at the beast itself, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Samsung has been leading the charge in the premium tablet space for years, but with the S12 Ultra, they aren't just looking to beat Apple. They are looking to redefine what a computer even is. We have gathered the most reliable leaks, supply chain reports, and insider specs to give you the full picture of this upcoming titan. If you've been thinking about upgrading your current tablet, or even your laptop, you are going to want to hear this because the changes coming this year are nothing short of revolutionary. Let's start with the thing you'll notice the second you take this out of the box, that massive, gorgeous display. Samsung is sticking with the ultra-thin bezels, but the rumors suggest we are seeing a massive jump in brightness and efficiency. We are looking at a 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED-to-X panel, but this time it's expected to feature the new Tandem OLED technology. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's the same tech that made the latest iPad Pro screens so vibrant. By stacking to OLED layers, Samsung can achieve insane peak brightness levels, think 2000 nits or more, while significantly extending the lifespan of the pixels. Whether you're editing 4K video under direct sunlight or watching a movie in a dark room, this screen is going to be the gold standard. But a screen is only as good as the power driving it. Under the hood, the Tab S12 Ultra is rumored to be the first tablet to truly harness the power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or perhaps even a custom Snapdragon for Galaxy variant optimized specifically for multitasking. We are talking about desktop-class performance in a chassis that is thinner than a pencil. For the power users out there, this means you can run dozens of Chrome tabs, a video editor, and your social media feeds simultaneously without even a hint of lag. And for the gamers, imagine playing AAA titles at max settings with a 140 Hz refresh rate. It's going to be buttery smooth. One of the biggest complaints about Pro tablets is that the software often holds back the hardware. Samsung knows this. With the Tab S12 Ultra, we are expecting a massive overhaul of Samsung DeX. The goal here is true desktop parity. We're hearing whispers of better window management, more native app support, and a more intuitive file system that feels less like a mobile phone and more like a high-end workstation. Plus, with the integration of Galaxy AI, this tablet is going to get a lot smarter. Imagine an AI that can summarize your hour-long meeting notes into a perfect to-do list while you're still in the call, or an AI-powered S Pen that can correct your sketches or handwriting in real time. Speaking of the S Pen, it's getting a major upgrade too. The latency is already world-class, but the S12 Ultra version is rumored to include a new haptic feedback motor. This means when you draw on the glass, it will actually feel like paper or charcoal, or a fountain pen, depending on the tool you select. It's that extra layer of immersion that creators have been begging for. Now, let's talk about the build. Samsung is likely sticking with the Armor aluminum frame, but we might see a shift in the camera housing to match the sleek, minimalist aesthetic of the S25 series. The battery life is also set for a boost. Even though the device is incredibly thin, Samsung is working on high-density battery tech to ensure that even with that massive, bright screen, you're still getting a full day of heavy use. And when you do run low, 6.5W fast charging is expected to be the new standard, getting you back to 100% faster than ever before. But why should you care about this over the competition? It comes down to the ecosystem. If you have a Galaxy phone or a Galaxy Book, the way these devices talk to each other is unparalleled. You can start a task on your phone and finish it on your S12 Ultra with a single tap. You can use the tablet as a secondary wireless monitor for your laptop. It's a seamless flow that makes life so much easier. We are also looking at a potential pro camera setup on the back. While most people don't use tablets for photography, the S12 Ultra is aiming at the professional market. Think high-resolution document scanning or applications for architects and designers, and top-tier front-facing cameras for those crystal-clear Zoom calls that make you look like you're in a professional studio. The dual front-facing cameras are expected to stay tucked neatly into that small notch, offering ultra-wide angles for group calls and sophisticated face unlocking. BIOMETRICS. When can you get your hands on one? Based on previous release cycles, we expect a launch in the latter half of the year, likely alongside the next generation of foldables. As for the price, expect a premium tag for a premium experience. This is an investment for the creators, the doers, and the tech enthusiasts who refuse to settle for second best. This tablet isn't just an incremental update, it's a statement. It's Samsung saying that the era of the mobile-only tablet is over. The Tab S12 Ultra is built to be your primary device, your creative canvas, and your entertainment hub, all rolled into one sleek piece of glass and metal. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on all things tech, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us here at TechVibe. We have a lot more coverage coming on the S12 series, so stay tuned. Before you head out, I want to know, are you team tablet or team laptop for your daily work? Let's get a debate going in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.